Good morning, all. Amigo Brothers is a notable work of P.D. Thomas. Today, we can analyze the content of the story. Let us begin with the title of the story. The word amigo is a Spanish word. Amigo means friend. So, the title itself tells the theme of the story, friendship between two boys. Amigo brothers. In the opening itself, P.D. Thomas tells the setting of the story or where the story happens, that is East Manhattan. They live in the lower East Manhattan in one building.
The line, they felt themselves to be brothers, shows the intimacy of these two Puerto Rican boys, Felix Vargas and Antonio Cruz, or Felix and Tony.
What about their appearance? Are they alike or are they dissimilar in looks?
Antonio was fair, lean, and lanky. His hair was always falling over his eyes. Felix was dark, short, and strong. He had black hair in a natural afro style. Both of them were of 17 years, and the ambition in life was to become a lightweight champion of the world. They practiced well in order to attain the dream and kept a positive outlook in life.
Yes, in external appearance they are totally different, but their difference is only in external looks. They had same routines, same hobbies, and even cherished the same dream to become the lightweight champion of the world. They worked out hard to realize their goal. People found them running along the East River Drive on early mornings. Both of them slept, ate, rapped, and dreamt positive. They were inseparably connected to boxing as to each other. Then came that information, the turning point in the story. What was that information?
After a series of eliminations, the next boxing match, the division finals in the boys' club scheduled to be on August 7th, was between the two amigos.
Tension started growing during their happy moments of togetherness, an invisible wall growing between them. They had to speak it out. An open, heart-to-heart conversation followed.
The internal conflict was the dilemma whether to hurt the dearest friend to win the match or to lose the match without hurting his amigo. It was a coincidence that both of them planned for a clean knockout in the first round itself.
But days of separation were not easy for both. Felix tried in vain to keep Tony's face away from his fist even while watching the film The Champion. Walking on rooftop, Antonio too was trying hard to plan hurting his amigo. See the phrase heavy time used by the author to show the rising tension or the internal conflict.
Both of them wanted to win, but only one could win. There were no draws in eliminations. They took two decisions. One, no pulling punches. They had to go all the way. Second, they decided to separate physically. It would be better for the heads while preparing for the match. So Felix decided to stay with his aunt in the South Bronx till they meet in the ring.
The external conflict in the story was the real fight between two well-liked and respected boxers who had their own loyal following. People were anxiously waiting for the bout to come. See how Perry Thomas gives the minute details of the scene at Tompkins Square Park on the day of the fight. How the arrangements are made for the fight, how the two lightweight boxers were escorted to the ring by their fans, the announcement, the roaring of the audience, the expression of the fighters, the referee giving instructions.
Welcome to Tompkins Square Park to watch the most anticipated boxing match. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Antonio Cruz. And his opponent for this elimination round is Felix Vergas.
The sounds of their blows, in contrast to the silence of a crowd gone completely mute, explains the ferocity of their fight. The referee was stunned by their savagery. Was this a fight to death instead of a boxing match? The fear soon gave way to wave upon wave of cheering as the two amigos embraced. They would always be champions to each other. At the close of the match, they went out of the ring arm in arm without even waiting for the announcer to point the winner.
Have you noticed the style of narration? The fighting postures, the anxiety of the audience, the expressions of the fighters, all are picturesquely described in a language enriched with boxing vocabulary. Look at the text. Can you list a few words related to boxing? Now, dear students, what do you think of the ending of the story? Even though the way they behaved by quitting without waiting for the result to be announced is debatable, one thing is certain. Friendship wins, and that is what this story tells.
Dear students, hope you enjoyed the story Amigo Brothers by Perry Thomas. How do you value friendship? All of us are friends, either be at school or neighborhood, but we are all missing them nowadays, don't you? Friends and friendships are something precious in everyone's life. There is nothing on this earth more to be prized than true friendship. True friends stay forever, beyond time, beyond distance, and beyond words. The greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of someone else, which the Amigo brothers rightly proved. Yes, this is the story of true friendship. Felix and Antonio were the champions in the world of true friendship.